فمن حاجك فيه من بعد ما جاءك من العلم فقل تعالوا ندع أبناءنا وأبناءكم ونساءنا ونساءكم وأنفسنا وأنفسكم ثم نبتهل فنجعل لعنة الله على الكاذبين.
Tell whoever disputes with you on this matter after true knowledge has come to you, come, let us summon our sons and your sons, and our women and your women, and ourselves and yourselves, and then let us pray together and invoke the curse of Allah on those who lie.
إن هذا لهو القصص الحق وما من إله إلا الله وإن الله لهو العزيز الحكيم.
This is the true story. There is no God but Allah, and assuredly Allah is almighty, all-wise.
فإن تولوا فإن الله عليم بالمفسدين.
And if they turn their backs, truly Allah knows those who cause mischief.
قل يا أهل الكتاب تعالوا إلى كلمة سواء بيننا وبينكم ألا نعبد إلا الله ولا نشرك به شيئا ولا يتخذ بعضنا بعضا أربابا من دون الله فإن تولوا فقولوا اشهدوا بأننا مسلمون.
Say, people of the book, come to a word common between us and you, that we shall serve none but Allah, and shall associate none with Him in His divinity, and that some of us will not take others as lords other than Allah. And if they turn away from accepting this call, tell them, bear witness that we are the ones who have submitted ourselves exclusively to Allah.
يا أهل الكتاب لم تحاجون في إبراهيم وما أنزلت التوراة والإنجيل إلا من بعده أفلا تعقلون.
People of the book, why do you dispute with us about Abraham, even though the Torah and the Gospel were not revealed until after his time? Do you not understand?